Alright, I'm gonna try to record this. Well, I'm using the phone as a hotspot. I don't know if it'll crash, but again, here's this annoying end user agreement, which I hope they get rid of it because you gotta keep doing this every time you turn it on. It's the most annoying thing ever. So I'm gonna cancel that. So let me get started. The original key is in there, and we're going to do emo function. And remember, you have to have internet access in order for this to work. And I do have it on a hotspot. I set it up. So let's go to Volkswagen right here. So that's going to be Volkswagen. It's the only one there. No data initializing. So here we got automatic selection, manual selection. So if I do automatic, okay, my VIN's there. So click OK. So he read it before, so I'll do a read again, just so that you can see that it does read it. It took me a moment, but there it is, same one. So we're gonna go OK, decode VIN. So these are the options: South America, Europe, Mexico, Mexico. So on this one, I chose 2004 to 2009 Gulf. It's a Rabbit, but those are my options. So this one was made in Europe. So this is a 2007. This is 98. So these are early versions. So we'll go with that one. So it says Europe Gold 2004 2009. So we're gonna go yes. Initializing. So emo status scan is the same as hot function, if I remember right. So we'll just do emo scan. So hopefully I can get this two things working today correctly. So this does take a little while. The emo stuff on this car is pretty slow. I was getting, it was taking its sweet time on the other scanner as well. So last time I tried emo, and then I was able to do a dealer key, I think it was. So even though it was working yesterday, today it doesn't work. So as you saw, it turns off when the key is not programmed. So as long as the light is on, that means your key is not programmed. So you want to make sure that it is. So that's why I'm redoing both keys again, because the buttons don't work, but the key actually works to turn on the car. So it's just weird. So this is what you get. You get a scan items, status. You get some DTC, ECM, but now I'm getting a fault on the ammo. It was green yesterday. So remote control system, number of keys 1. So I still got one key. Alright, so now I got ammo fault. Let's see what that is, if it'll let me. Key implausible signal 01176. No idea, but I think I know what it is. So here are my options: report, add key, guided key, immobilizer learning, ESC. I don't know what that is. I think when you get a new one. So we're gonna go ahead and add guided key, which is the same as the actually, let me go back and I'll show you. It's gonna be the same as the hot function. Yes, I want to exit. So we'll go to the hot function. I haven't used it, but I think it's the same. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. Yeah, see, add key guided. It's the same thing. Is this vehicle equipped with a smart key? No. It's a regular key. So read emo data, make dealer key, learn keys to vehicle, remote learning. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. I start there, so it does the percentage. Okay, do you want to generate a dealer key? Yes. Place a blank key into the key tool and press OK. So we're gonna do the second one. I'm just gonna redo it. Okay, between the diagnostic tool and the key is not possible. Check if the key is placed into the key slot of the key tool. Check if the key is placed correctly. Yes, it is. Failed to generate dealer key. Do you want to try? Yes. Okay. Okay, so is this supposed to be off or on? Okay, hold on. Failed to generate. Yes. Let's try it again. Place a link into the key tool. Okay. It's off right now. Alright, this thing is not working, so great. Alright, let's see. No. Let me get out of here and start over. Number of keys learned. We're gonna go with 2. Turn off ignition for 5 seconds and then turn the ignition to on. Press off and then turn on and press OK within 2 seconds. That's what I'm looking at here. Within 30 seconds, H key to be learned into the ignition. Turn it on. Okay. The key should what? Decoding, remote control. Tells you to do everything within 30 seconds or 2 seconds, and I can't even read it within that time to see what I'm supposed to be doing. Press any button or key within 10 seconds. The hearts will warm. Okay, got that one. Got that one. Okay. Key learning succeeded. All right. Okay. Dealer key. So I guess maybe because it was already programmed. So let's get out of here. Let's get out of here and see if it did it. I didn't want to stop the video because I want to just make sure. Alright, so let's see. So it beeps to let you know to take out the VCI. Alright, so I'm gonna see if it works. Okay, my key is working again on this one. Now on here, turn it on. Okay, key is gone. Alright, let me do the second one. That works. Okay, that popped up. Is it gonna go away? Hey, the key thingamajiggy when the key icon went away. So it looks like I finally got them all both programmed. That's what you want to see. You want to make sure it's completely off, because now it's not turning off with the new one, and both of them work, which is a pain in the butt how you do this, but there you go. No pin reading or anything, it just does everything automatically. It's just kind of more painful of a procedure to do it, but because I did it yesterday, I thought I had programmed it, but that light didn't go off. Now it went off, so you saw what I did, and that's exactly what worked, even though it said it didn't make a dealer key, but I guess I had made it yesterday, so whatever, it seems to work now, so that's what matters. I hope that helps. And this is the Volkswagen 2007 that's been a pain in the rear just trying to make or program a key for it, but this one finally did it. Just remember, you have to have internet because I have it connected to the phone, so in order to go to the internet, which is a pain in the royal you know what, but that's just the way this thing works.